About 10 days ago, I received this comment from one of my viewers. Hey, thanks for the video, well put together. I am still trying to make my first dollar online. And that really got me to thinking. A lot of people will create content, and I'm even guilty of it myself, showing people how to make $100 per day, how to make $1,000 per day, whatever it is. But most people that are watching YouTube videos probably just want to make their first dollar. They want to do it as proof of concept. They want to do it to show their friends and family that they can actually make money online. And as I've said before, if you can make $1 online, you can make $1 million online. So in this video, I'm actually going to show you 5 ways that you can make money with affiliate marketing, make your first dollar with affiliate marketing. Now, this is going to be a part of a larger series where I'm going into more in-depth ways, tips, tricks, and tactics with each of these methods. And what I will ask you to do is comment below with the method that you've tried or the method that you'd prefer to get started so that I know that I'm on the right track. So in this video, I'm going to reveal 5 ways that you can make your first dollar with affiliate marketing. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for your free unemployee handbook. That handbook will teach you how to make money online step by step. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. All right, so as I mentioned, I believe that a lot of people that watch YouTube videos are really just trying to get their first dollar so that they can build that confidence and scale to the next level. Now, if you want me to do videos on the next level, maybe your first $100 or first $1,000, I can do that as well. Just comment down below. But we're really going to focus on 5 different ways, 5 websites where you can make your first dollar. The length of time is going to be varied just a little bit, but I think this is a really cool video. So the first one that we have, and this is in no particular order, is simply with Reddit or forum sites. Yes, Reddit and or forum sites can be very powerful for you to make money online. And there are a few ways to do it. You can create your own forum post. If you're on, let's say, a woodworking forum, you can join other people's posts. What you can do is you can come up to the search bar and you can type in something like, how much does, and we're going to hit enter there. And you're going to see people are asking all sorts of questions about all sorts of topics. Now, some people are going to be asking like how many calories, how much does X cost, how much are people making, all sorts of stuff. And this is an opportunity to answer questions and you can make money. Now, again, I'm going to go more in depth about different tips, tricks, and tactics to use Reddit to make your first dollar online. But you can see if people are asking questions, that means there's an opportunity for you to solve a problem and potentially make money. We could do something like how to start a website. If you wanted to promote Bluehost, you're going to see that people are asking questions about that. How to start a website for blog within 5 minutes easily. See, you can see people are creating content here. We can also find different communities or subreddits that are going to help us make money. So you can see here that people are asking questions about all sorts of stuff. Again, I like to always throw out the caution that Reddit has both safe for work and non-safe for work components. So always keep your eye on that and make sure that you're in the right place so that you don't get in trouble. All right, so number 1 is with Reddit. Number 2 is actually with my blog or a blog. Yes, blogging is still alive and well, and I think there's lots of opportunity if you want to seek it out. A lot of people believe that blogging is saturated and too competitive. There's 2 things to it. 1, there's always new niches and new keywords that are coming out all the time. 2, there's always different ways to approach a topic. One of the posts that I had, and I was going to do a video on answering commenters' questions, is it seems like every question's already been answered, but there's always new information. Some of the blogs out there are 2, 3, 4, 5 years old, and the information that they have is outdated. So if you can present new information, or if you can create a resource page, for example, if people are asking how to lose weight and you pull that information from 5 or 6 different places and you make it a resource page, there is opportunity for you to lose weight. Now, in a video, I am going to show you how you can make your first dollar blogging. I actually made my first 79 cents blogging with my oldest blog, and it was with Amazon Associates. But there's a bunch of ways that you can make money blogging, and we'll talk about those ways in that video. So comment blogging if you want to learn more about how I go about blogging, how to write blogs, and all of that good stuff. But that is number 2, blogging. Number 3 is with YouTube. Yes, you can still make money with YouTube. You can make a full-time income with YouTube and affiliate marketing if that's what you want to do. And there are a number of ways to do it if you are focused, if you have the customer's problem solution in mind. If you don't just create random content, you can be successful on YouTube. And I'm going to show you a strategic way of how I did it with my second oldest YouTube channel, The Security Camera Guy. We're going to take a look at that channel, some things that I did right, some things that I did wrong, so that you can actually make money. But YouTube is still really powerful. Another way that you can make your first dollar online is actually with Quora. Now, I've told this story before and I'll tell it again in this actual video, but I made my first $125 within 12 hours of starting affiliate marketing, and it was with Quora. Now, I did some things wrong, and I'm going to teach you the right way to do Quora so that you can earn a consistent income, but Quora is really powerful. Quora is a question and answer site where people from around the world are coming and asking questions. For example, they're asking questions like how to start a blog. And what we're going to do is we're simply just going to walk you through the process of finding low competition keywords that can rank on Google, and you can actually make money. And in fact, as I mentioned, I made my first $125 recommending Bluehost on this exact type of question. And in that video, we'll walk you through the entire process. So number 4 is actually with Quora, and number 5 is with TikTok. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to show you how to do TikTok the right way to earn your first dollar. Now, what people will say, and I'm going to address this in the video, is, hey, you need 1,000 followers or 1,000 subscribers before you can put your link in the description or in your bio. And you can actually make money. In fact, I actually made money with TikTok before you could even put links. Now, long ago, maybe a year and a half, 2 years ago, when TikTok first got started, there was no option to put your link in. And so I'm actually going to teach you and show you how you can make money with TikTok without even having a link. That's exactly what I did. In fact, on the screen here, I stopped doing it. I'm going to go back to doing it because I know how powerful this is. So what I recommend that you do is subscribe to my channel if you want to learn how to make your first dollar online. Again, this is a response to a comment that I received. This is a response to the videos that I've made in the past showing you how to make $100 per day, $500 per day. Really, we just want to make sure that you're making your first $1 per day so that you can scale as high as you want. So if you want to learn how to make your first dollar with affiliate marketing, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when we upload those videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.